Okay, this is me and my cousin Jake here. We're going to see who can drink a root beer fastest without burping. And this is going to start the Aaron versus Jake challenges. Is Jake in the shot? Okay, you ready? Open your sodas. Ready, set, go. Man, this is cold. Huh?
Well, don't go closer.
Stop.
Because you're only getting the...
Brooke, stand right there. Stay right there. Jake, back up. Back up over here.
There we go.
I'm almost done. I never burped yet.
Hold it in your mouth.
It made you look.
Hold it in your mouth. Jake. Hold it down.
You burped. I heard it. Fine.
Jake,
It hurts so much not to burp. Jake, you have to stay over here by me. Man, I want to burp so much right now. You have to stay by me, Jake. You have
I
to stay.
sneezed. Fill up the gap.
Come here. You have to
Hey,
stay in the
does it?
shot with me.
Does it? I'm a...
I win. He burped.
Ah!
I win.